Hi everyone, just want to show you what I got from Sephora, the sales from the past week. I got many things and I would like to try before, and it was just right on time. I see the sales. Okay, like this one, Marc Jacob. That's the lip gloss. It's really moist. I tried the tester and I really want to put it on. So, and this one is the Tarte called Banks. It's a matte lipstick, but it's very good too. It stays a long time. There's the Hourglass, the pressed powder. I got the truffle size. It's so far so good. And I got Clinique. This color is not too bad. Very soft also. This is another mist from Touchy. The spray. It smells so good. And the YSL, the stick foundation is very soft, very smooth. And I also want to try the lipstick. It's very moisturized. And the Unicorn, oh my gosh, this highlight is very pretty packaging, and I would like to try that. And the other was, let's see, this one. Look at the color. Oh, I've been using this for a few days and I love it. And I also got the concealer from Tarte. It looks a little bit darker, but actually it's really match my skin. And this, a lot of YouTubers talk about this, and I try it on and it's like growing your face. So if you have chance, you should try that too. And the shampoo I would like to try. And that's this set. I would like to try also with all the lipstick and then the lip pencil. So, and it's my birthday month, so I got some birthday present. So, and also this is very good primer. I've been using it every day and it's just very smooth on your skin. So this is all I got from last time, and hopefully you guys also trying the same thing, and put it on a comment and see what you guys think. See you next time.